Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate liquid for cake decoration. First, select a good quality chocolate, like baking bars or chips, for the best flavor and texture. Break larger pieces into smaller, uniform chunks, about 1 inch in size, to ensure even melting. You can use either a double boiler setup or a microwave for this simple process. Let's get started. For the double boiler method, fill a saucepan with about 1 inch of water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Place a heat-proof bowl containing your chocolate pieces over the saucepan, making sure the bottom of the bowl does not touch the water. Stir the chocolate constantly with a spatula until it is completely smooth and melted. This gentle heat prevents burning. If you prefer the microwave, place your chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it on medium power for 30-second intervals, stirring thoroughly after each one. This is crucial to distribute the heat and prevent scorching. Remove the chocolate from the microwave when it's about 75% melted, then continue stirring until it becomes completely smooth and liquid. Be careful not to overheat it. To achieve a perfect, pourable consistency for decorating, you can stir in about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil or coconut oil per 8 ounces of chocolate. This makes it smoother and easier to work with. Keep your melted chocolate warm over a very low heat or in a warm spot to prevent it from solidifying too quickly while you decorate. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.